Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful glam Tic Tac Toe game board using all dollar store materials. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of the materials if you are unable to find the materials at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. We will need a framed mirror. The size of the mirror can be 8 by 10, 11 by 14, or anything in between. The frame can be any color, but to amp up the glam, I would recommend a gold, silver, white, or black frame. We will also need some silver plastic spoons. The one I'm using were found at the Dollar Tree, a pack of 24 for $1, but we will only need 9 of them. I'll show you later how I use them. We will also need some clear acrylic gems. If you prefer, you may also use colored acrylic gems. We will also need some diamond wrap. Although you will find these at the Dollar Tree, I ordered mine off eBay in bulk. We will also need silver bead necklace. Mine is from the Dollar Tree, but similar ones can be found at any party store or from eBay. And finally, we will need 4 plastic covers from any old bottles. They can be of any size, and I'll show you later how I use them. And as per my usual craft projects, we will need some glue. For this project, I prefer clear glue, but you can also use white glue that dries invisible. As an alternative, some hot glue will work as well. Now to start by building out the game board with the mirror. Since my mirror has a black frame, I will embellish it with some black and silver crystal diamond wrap. For my frame, I will measure out 3 rows for each of the 4 sides of the frame. Once the mirror frame is decorated to your liking, put it aside for the glue to dry. In the meantime, we will start by making the X's and O's. For this, we will be taking 9 silver plastic spoons and snapping the round part from the arm part of the spoon. We will keep 5 round sections of the spoon aside, and take 4 arms and using a sharp scissor, cut each of the 4 arms in half. For this part of the project, you may want to put some safety goggles on to prevent any stray pieces of the plastic spoon from flying into your face. Once the arms are cut in half, glue the two pieces from one arm to make the shape of an X. For this part, I would recommend using hot glue. Once 4 X's are made, glue on acrylic gem to the center of each X. Once the 4 X's are completed, glue on an acrylic gem to the center of each round part of the spoon until all 5 are done. The next step is optional, but I would like some height for my game board, so I will be building some legs to place in each of the 4 corners at the back of the mirror. For this, we will take each of the plastic covers and embellish each one with silver diamond wrap. You will need to measure out the diamond wrap to fit properly, and then use some glue to affix the diamond wrap to the plastic cover. Once all 4 legs are completed, use some hot glue to attach each one of the 4 corners at the back of the mirror. Next is to measure and cut strings of the silver bead necklace to create the grid lines of the Tic Tac Toe game board. I did not film this section so as to avoid reflection from the mirror to the camera, but as you can see, I have used some clear glue directly on the mirror to place the strings of silver bead necklace, creating 9 boxes in total. The final step is to place the X's and O's on the mirrored game board. And that completes our glam tic-tac-toe game board. This project was so much fun to do, and I hope yours turn out as glam as mine. Not only will this be a beautiful showpiece in your living room, but it will also offer hours of fun and entertainment. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.